Welcome to GMC Machine Tools, quality equipment that you can trust. Here we have the GMC PBR-55H hydraulic roll bender. This unit is by far our best-selling roll bending machine. This machine is equipped with top roller hydraulic positioning with digital readout for accuracy and repeatability, 2-inch diameter roller shafts, 7.5-inch roller outside diameter, and one set of universal combination roll dies. Optional tube dies and pipe dies are available, as well as an optional anti-twisting attachment. It is powered by a 220-volt or 440-volt three-phase industrial motor and is backed by a 1-year factory warranty. GMC has been in business for over 20 years and have sold thousands of these roll benders that are currently in the production field today. We have a large inventory of machines in stock for quick delivery and also have on-site factory tech support as well as a full parts department, so you'll never have to worry about production downtime. To find out more about this or any of our other products, or to receive a free quote, just give us a call at 909-947-7787. On behalf of GMC Machine Tools, we thank you for watching.